4-pack of all-purpose wine glasses for everyday use or entertaining. Lead-free, made of soda ash glass for optimal wine presentation and enjoyment. Each glass holds 19 fluid ounces, elegant profile with gently curved bowl. Made in the USA, dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Glass may break with extreme temperature difference of 194°F or greater, such as pouring hot water into a frozen glass. Top reviews from the United States. Heavy. If this was a wine bottle, you'd say, expensive. I read the reviews before I purchased. So, there were some people who were shocked to find out that wine glasses can break. Well, me and broken wine glasses go way back like a lazy boy. It has always been my fault. That being said, I have had some really thin wine glasses that I have broken by just trying to clean them. From the reviews I read, I thought I was going to get that variety. That kind of glass feels really light and delicate when you pick it up. Does that mean that it's an expensive or a cheap glass? Really, I'm asking. If it was a wine bottle and it was really heavy and had a super deep punt, you'd know that was a pricey one. My Riedel glasses feel light and I know what I paid for them, and for that reason I rarely use them. When I opened up the box of Amazon wine glasses and pulled out the first one, I thought, wow, that's heavy. We could make it through an entire night together and one of us could ride in the dishwasher, none the worse for wear. If you want a large size and solid, almost commercial feeling, in a good way, wine glass, then smash buy it now.